Step 1. Remove the two carriage bolts from one front anti-tipper and separate all the parts. Step 2. The front anti-tippers are installed on the lower side frame just behind the casters. The frame spacer is used on narrow diameter frames. Turn the wheelchair on its back and install the frame spacer if needed. Step 3. Each front anti-tipper is mounted on the outside of the wheelchair. Position and hold the main body of the front anti-tipper against lower frame of the wheelchair. Step 4. Install hinge clamp bracket onto the main body of the front anti-tipper and hold in place. Step 5. Insert one carriage bolt through the main body of the front anti-tipper and then the hinge clamp bracket. Put the cap nut on and hand tighten. Repeat this procedure for the other carriage bolt and cap nut. Step 6. Turn the wheelchair upright and verify that the rear of the front anti-tipper is not touching the rear wheel. If the front anti-tipper is touching the rear wheel, move the front anti-tipper forward. Step 7. Inspect the hinge triangle has clearance of 1 inch off the floor. If there is not enough clearance, move the hinge triangle to the second hole. When the correct position is set, tighten the cap screw that the hinge triangle swivels on. Do not over-tighten since this part has to be able to swivel. Step 8. Verify that the front caster will not hit the front anti-tipper when the fork is turning. If the caster does hit the front anti-tipper, then slide the front anti-tipper forward. When all clearances are verified, make sure that the front anti-tipper is perpendicular with the ground and tighten both carriage bolts.